Hello, I'm filming this video a few months after I launched the course, and here we are going to revise the way we install Bootstrap in our application. Now, to start, previously in Rails 5, for example, we installed Bootstrap using the Bootstrap Ruby gem. We added a gem Bootstrap and imported it in our style sheets. And then we installed a gem jQuery Rails and also imported it in our application.js. And in Rails 6, it's done differently. So in Rails 5, we used Ruby gems to install Bootstrap and Popper and jQuery. And in Ruby on Rails 6, we are going to use Yarn and Webpacker to install Bootstrap. So we are going to download all the Bootstrap files not with a gem, but with running the command yarn add bootstrap. Now, over the course, I've been getting lots and lots of additional questions regarding installing Bootstrap, and I've also written an article about it that you can also see on the blog.corsigo.com. So let's go and install Bootstrap. So first of all, we are doing nothing in our gem file. We are going to go and install, where are they? We're going to run yarn add jQuery, Poppy.js, and Bootstrap. So we're going to our console, and I'm running this command. And our application using Webpacker and Yarn is going to download all the files for jQuery, Poppy.js, and Bootstrap. We need jQuery and Poppy.js because they are dependencies of Bootstrap for it to work correctly. Next, we are going to go to our application. Oh no, we're going to go to environment.js and make it look like this. So let's find, I'm pressing Ctrl E to go into the search mode, and I'm typing environment.js. Here it is in config webpack environment.js. We can alternatively find it here. Go to config webpack. Now it's loading, just a moment. And here we have environment.js. And here we are putting this content. Basically, we need to initialize jQuery and Poppy.js. Okay. Next, we are going to go to our JavaScripts folder, and inside we are going to create a folder style sheets with a file application.scss. So let's go to JavaScripts, packs. So we have JavaScripts packs, and we're going to have JavaScripts style sheets inside. So we're creating a new folder and typing style sheets.style sheets. And inside style sheets, we're going to create a file application.scss. And basically, we're going to load all our style sheets not through app assets style sheets, but through JavaScript style sheets application SCSS, for example. So I'm not going to use this file at all. I'm going to do everything in application.scss. Okay. Next, we're going to our application HTML, and we're going to make it look like this. Let's go to our layouts application HTML. Basically, previously in Rails 5, for example, we had the style sheet link tag that lets us use this application SCSS file and JavaScript link tag. In Rails 5, we had JavaScripts on the assets. We had JavaScripts here. So we had the JavaScript link tag, but now we are using packs. So we have everything in the folder JavaScripts, and here we have packs, and here we have JavaScript pack tag. Now I'm removing this JavaScript folder that I just created. Okay. So we're going to create a style sheet pack tag. Style sheet pack tag. Like this. Next, we're going to application.js. And here we are going to import 3 lines. So let's go to application.js. And here we're adding 3 lines. So we are importing the JavaScripts of Bootstrap into our application, the SCSS from Bootstrap, and we add require style sheets application.scss. So by this line, we say that this file inherits from this file. And whenever we add any changes in application.scss, our application will recompile. Okay, and basically that's it. So let's refresh. Let's start our server, Rails S, and see if it works. I'm refreshing and I expect some changes. Now it's taken quite a while because we've added a few new packages like with yarn, and let's see. So it is compiling, and you see the font changed. So we can try importing something from Bootstrap. Let's go to the examples, for example, or to, let's say, home, and we'll find some kind of code snippet. Let's go to navbar, for example, and let's just copy a navbar. I'll press copy, and I will paste it in our home index instead of everything. Oh, actually, we're using Humble, so I will go to HTML to Humble, and I will convert this HTML into Humble, paste it here, and refresh the page. And you see, we have a navbar working. Now, we can add some kind of colors to the navbar. We can select a colored navbar, for example. Let's select another one. I'll delete all of this. I'll turn that navbar into Humble out of HTML. And here you see we can add 3 different colors. Now here we can just type navbar, let's say dark, background dark. So here we've imported a dark navbar. And that's basically it. So what we did to install Bootstrap, we ran the command, yarn add jQuery, popper, and Bootstrap. And then we went to environment.js and added these lines. In application HTML, we added style sheet pack tag. In application JS, we added import Bootstrap and import style sheets application as CSS that we created. And that's it. Now, this file is empty for the moment, but we can also add something here. So, for example, we can color the navbar, or the whole body of the application. So I will go here and restart the server, and you see it's already not white, it's already of another color. I can change the color. Let's make it, let's say, green. I'm changing the color. It's taken quite a while because you see we are compiling. So it's still compiling. Here's the time that it took, and you see the background is green. So we have successfully installed Bootstrap. Thank you.